Alright, a quick one. Good morning. In this video I'll be showing you how to download a chemdraw. When you have already downloaded the files, so maybe this is the file computational chemistry training softwares, and yours will appear anywhere, maybe your download. You click on the files. When you click on the files, then this is the folder computational software. In this folder you can easily install Pirates. For Pirates, just click on this and follow the steps. For OpenBabel, you click on this installer and follow the steps. For Discovery Studio also, click on the S file and follow the steps. It's very clear. For chemsketch, you also click on this and follow the steps. Then the one that we need license is chemdraw. Now the chemdraw comes with a serial and the installation files. What you do, first of all, install, click on this file. So I click on the installation files. As it's reading, it will take some time. When the files open, you do the normal installation to follow the normal procedure for installation. It will say, do you want to install? You say yes, normal installation. So you're about to install this, you say okay. So these are the normal procedures for installation. The normal procedure for installation. Though I already have chemdraw installed in my system, then it will show this. You wait a while, it's preparing to install. Once it's preparing to install, then you click on next. At this point, accept. These are normal procedure. Next, next, install. Now in the installation, it's going to install. It requires some information, some license, some password. That is the essence of the test. So once it's going, let's just give it some time. Okay. So as it's processing, we just wait a while. It will not take much time. Just wait a while. Okay. Though the chemdraw are still good, which means installation complete, finish. Okay, I have already installed chemdraw in my system. That is why it just wrote installation complete. So I've already installed chemdraw. This is the one I was using to work. So, but there is a point after installing. After installation, you cannot open it. Once it has finished installing, if you want to open it, it will ask for activation. So once it asks for activation, it will require you to activate. You use this information under the serial. Under the name, you type this name, you can copy and paste. Under organization, you type S files. You copy and paste S files. Under email, you copy and paste this email. Under serial number, you copy and paste this serial number. Under activation code, you copy and paste this activation code, and then you activate. Below you see where they write activate. You click activate, it will activate. It will tell you that your chemdraw has been activated. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Do have a wonderful weekend.